So my viewers, after a long time, I'm gonna to upload a vlogging video. Uh, Before I was uploading some solo videos. It was nice experience. So now I'm going to show you something is interesting that near river in my village, some boys are doing fishing in Hunzanagar river in front of KKH. Let me show you. Hey boys, what are you doing? How many fish you are caught? Oh, it's very small, man. So you can see it is very small fishes. Okay, let me show you how you are doing your work. Look.
What is short? Tin water.
Show me here.
Yeah.
Nothing, man. Try again.
Yeah.
Try again. Okay. Okay. Wait. Oh man, hard luck. I thought that you guys are going to capture a whale, blue whale. Okay, show me. Again, nothing. Hard luck, boys. Okay, do it now.
Yeah, do it now.
No.
This is your tuning like going.
Okay. So you can see, guys, this is some people say that is a Hunza river, but I'm always saying that this is a Hunza Nagar river, and you can see upside there is a KKH Karakaram highway.
This is your passing.
Great, boys, nice experience. So how many fishes are inside that bottle? How many? 1, 2, 3, 4.
10 fishes.
10 fishes.
Yeah.
Ah, man, you must give them freedom. Okay, guys, thank you very much. Bye bye. So it was a nice experience with these kids. It is a wonderful place. It's a corner site of my village. As well as nice weather, man, around here. So I'm following them. Hope so this video is going to be interesting. Thank you for watching, and I'm waiting for your appreciation and some likes and comments. Thank you very much. Bye.